welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial I want to focus on the worship tutorial as well, and I want to look at trying to play the surface around the song while you are singing. So maybe you are the only acoustic guitarist and you want to sing. After singing, you want to pause for a moment for an interlude where the guitar will have to come in. So after "You are wonderful, you are worthy, oh Lord, you are wonderful, you are worthy, oh Lord," then you leave it. So you have to know the surface of this song, so you know that so far, re do, mi re mi fa mi so fa re do mi do ti do re do. So play that same thing. So try and know how to play the surface in any of the shape. If you've checked my beginner's tutorial, I taught how to play the surface around anywhere. So find the root note. So since we are playing C, we'll be a bit limited here because there are parts that we have to play open. So we know that the second string when it's played open is B, and B is the T. That's the seventh note in the major scale for C. So re, mi. So the mi is also the E. That's the open first string. Do re mi fa so la ti do. Or maybe if you want to play it from using the third string, starting from the third string on the fifth fret. So we can do it that way. So you realize that the same chords that I was playing those times are actually hitting on those notes that I want to play. So you kind of give that shape. So you emphasize more on that note that you are trying to play. You're playing the melody at the same time, trying to give it that backing. Yeah, you see. So I'm interested in the re do. So I will say. So after playing "You Are One," then I pick up. So it kind of give it that melody. So yeah, I think this is pretty straightforward. If you have any question, if you want me to do that one again, or you can rewind and try and play the chords around, but focusing more on the notes. You don't necessarily have to play the chord as it is. So you realize that sometimes I'm playing the re, but the re, "You are worthy, oh Lord," you see that part is 5, but there's a re in that we know that re is in the 5 chord. So we want to give more emphasis on that re do. So I'll avoid this because this one is going to take over. If I play both notes, the first and second string, I'll avoid the first string. Re do. So what if you want to play over here? Let's look at it. Okay, I'll leave this one for the next tutorial, and thank you for watching. And if you have any comments, if you have any question, leave in the comment section below. And thank you for watching, and I believe this one was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my YouTube channel. If you are looking to learn how to play the guitar from scratch for beginners, I have a tutorial series that you can take and look at, and it's going to help you in your journey. Thank you and see you next time.